Air defense system in India from a multi-layered security shield designed to protect national airspace from aircraft, missile, drones, and emerging hypersonic threats. India operates one of the most complex air defense architecture in Asia, integrating indigenous missile systems, advanced radars, and foreign origin platforms. With nearly 1750 military aircraft and close to 900 fighter jets, India ranks among the top 5 global air powers. The system ensures early detection, interception, and neutralization of hostile aerial threats across varying ranges and altitudes. Air defense systems in India. Air defense systems are defensive military technologies that detect, track, and destroy aerial threats such as fighter aircraft, ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, UAVs, and loitering munitions. India's air defense framework combines surface-to-air missile, ballistic missile defense interceptors, radar-guided guns, and integrated combat control networks operated jointly by the Indian Air Force, Indian Army, and Indian Navy. These systems follow a layered approach consisting of long-range, medium-range, short-range, and very short-range defense to provide comprehensive aerial security. Air defense systems in India list. India has followed a layered air defense doctrine combining imported and indigenous systems for redundancy and flexibility. The list of major air defense systems in India are long-range systems such as S-400 Triumph and ballistic missile defense interceptors, medium-range platforms like Akash and Barak-8, short-range systems including QRSAM and Spider, very short-range missile and gun-based system for terminal defense. Prithvi Air Defense. Prithvi Air Defense is the exo-atmospheric interceptor of India's ballistic missile defense program developed by DRDO under BMD Phase 1. Interception altitude up to 80 km, engagement range between 300 and 2000 km, designed to destroy incoming ballistic missile outside the atmosphere, uses inertial navigation with radar guidance, successfully tested multiple times against simulated ballistic targets. S-400 Triumph. S-400 Triumph is India's most advanced long-range air defense system procured from Russia. Maximum engagement range of 400 km, can intercept aircraft, UAVs, cruise missile, and ballistic missile. India signed a $5.43 billion deal for 5 regiments. Known in India as Sudarshan Chakra, tracks up to 300 targets simultaneously, deployed along northern and western strategic sectors. Advanced Air Defense. Advanced Air Defense is the Indo-atmospheric interceptor of India's BMD architecture, designed to intercept missiles within the atmosphere. Operational altitude up to 30 km, speed approximately Mach 4.5, complements PAD in 2-layer missile interception, provides terminal phase ballistic missile defense, successfully tested against short and medium range ballistic targets. Akash surface-to-air missile system. Akash is an indigenously developed medium-range surface-to-air missile system developed by DRDO, produced by BDL and BEL, range up to 45 km, speed Mach 3.5, uses Rajendra phased array radar, simultaneously tracks 64 targets, deployed by Indian Air Force and Indian Army. Variants include Akash 1S and Akash NG, 60 km range. Spider. Spider is a quick reaction air defense system acquired from Israel, uses Python 5 and Derby missiles, engagement range between 20 and 50 km, capable of all-weather operations, highly mobile and rapidly deployable, effective against low-flying aircraft and drones, integrated into IAF's low-level air defense network. QRSAM. Quick Reaction Surface-to-Air Missile. QRSAM is a mobile indigenous air defense system developed by DRDO for Indian Army. Operational range up to 30 km, speed approximately Mach 4.7, capable of firing on the move, designed to counter aircraft and UAVs, fully automated command and control system. 2K-12 Kub Kavadrat. 2K-12 Kub is a Soviet-era medium-range air defense system, still in limited service, maximum range of about 24 km, engagement altitude up to 14,000 meters, radar-guided missile system used for point and area defense, gradually being phased out, replaced by modern indigenous platforms. S-125 Pichora. S-125 Pichora is a legacy short-range surface-to-air missile system Soviet origin system, maximum range around 30 km, designed to counter low altitude targets, upgraded with digital radars in India, used extensively during earlier decades, now largely replaced by Akash and Barak 8. Barak 8 is a modern medium-range air defense system jointly developed by India and Israel, range up to 100 km, used by Army, Navy and Air Force, equipped with active radar seeker, high resistance to electronic countermeasures, deployed in sensitive border areas, effective against missile aircraft and UAVs. 9K33 OSA-AK is a mobile short-range air defense missile system, Soviet origin all-weather system, range approximately 15 km, mounted on amphibious vehicle, designed for frontline air defense, rapid reaction capability, gradually being replaced by newer systems. S-200 Angara. S-200 Angara was a long-range air defense system previously used by India. Engagement range exceeding 250 km, designed for high-altitude targets, large radar signature and fixed deployment, required extensive logistical support, now retired from active service, replaced by S-400 class systems. 9K35 Strela 10. Strela 10 is a very short-range infrared guided missile system, engagement range up to 5 km, designed for low-flying aircraft, mounted on tracked vehicles, passive infrared guidance, suitable for frontline troops, part of India's VSHO RAD layer. 2K22 Tunguska. Tunguska is a combined gun missile and defense platform, integrates missile and 30 mm cannons, engagement range up to 10 km, effective against helicopters and aircraft, radar and optical tracking, mounted on tracked chassis, used for mobile battlefield air defense. JSU-23-4 Silka and JU-23-2. These are gun-based air defense systems forming the last line of defense. JSU-23.4 has radar-guided 23 mm gun. JU-232 is a towed twin-barrel system, effective against low-altitude threats, widely used for point defense. High rate of fire, deployed near critical installation. Bofors 40mm gun and KPV HMG gun-based systems provide close-in-air defense against low-flying threats. Key facts: Bofors 40mm effective against aircraft and drones, high accuracy and proven reliability. KPV heavy machine gun used for short-range defense, effective against helicopter and UAV, deployed at air bases and forward areas, complement missile-based systems.